Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can do this CapCut shake on CapCut. So I'm just going to select this part of the video for the shake. Maybe like go a little bit here. Like here. And then I'm going to add in a keyframe. Oops, I forgot to split it. Here I'm going to add a keyframe and I'm going to zoom in the video just a little bit. Then I'm going to add in another keyframe and I'm going to move it to the left like that. Then I'm going to add in another keyframe and I'm going to move it to the bottom right. And then I'm going to add in another keyframe and I'm going to move it to the bottom left. Then I am going to just preview it, and then at the end you're going to kind of zoom out and move it back to its like original position, but like only if you want to, like that. Then you are going to add in the shakes. So go to effects. I'm just going to delete this one first. Then go to video effects. Then you are going to find the shake one. I think it's a nightclub. Yeah, just add that in. And then you're going to copy it twice, but later let's just adjust it. So select adjust here. And for this one, you are going to add in, for the speed, it's going to be a 10. And then the intensity, you want it to be at around 20. And then for the second half, you're going to put the intensity to 10. I'm just going to make the clip a little bit shorter, actually. And let's just add another keyframe here because I need to zoom out on it. Then you're going to select the clip, go to animation, and add in shake 3. And have it for around 0.1 second. Press the check mark button as well. Okay, let's just review this. And that is basically it, really. You can add in vertical blur, but I'm not going to do that for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!